Alright, so it's all done. I took it out the oven and let it cool for a little bit. So now we're gonna give it a taste test. So it does not look exactly like how this looks. If you ever had an RX bar, you know. So I'm actually scared that it might not taste the same. So they're probably lying. Hello everyone, welcome back to Ready the Kids channel. Today I'm doing something different, but same thing, cooking and whatnot. So I started trying these RX bars, and it says 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, and 2 dates. Right? So I was just like, these are simple ingredients that I have in the crib all the time. So what if I try to make this? Could it taste the same? Because on the label that says no BS, and on the box, which I threw out by mistake, I should have kept it. It says what you see is what you get. So I thought, well, about I'll try it and see if that's true. So RXBar, whatever company that makes this, I'm coming for y'all. I'm gonna make this and then see if it tastes the same. This is the blueberry. I do not have blueberries. I do have the chocolate ones, but I don't have cocoa powder. But I do have some chocolate chips, so I'm gonna use that. So the ingredients called for. I'm gonna turn the camera around now. All right, so as mentioned before, like I said, the ingredients called for 3 egg whites. So I'm gonna crack this. Use the egg whites from this. Um, use 2 dates. That's what it says. I'm gonna use 2 dates, and it says 6 almonds, so I'm gonna use some almonds. And then since I'm gonna try to do the chocolate one that I have, I'll just add in some chocolate chip. I don't have the powder, but I have chocolate chips. So let's get to it. So I'll crack first. I'm gonna crack the egg whites, put it in the blender. Add the dates, and I think those are the only ones I'm gonna blend up. The rest I'll just add in after that, and then we bake it. Pretty simple, but let's see. It says what you see is what you get. So let's see if I'm gonna get what I see. All right, so I cracked 2 already off camera. I'm gonna crack this one for the people who like to, see the whole process through. So crack it just a little bit. And drop this. Catch the yolk. There you go. That's the third one right there. So that's done. Put it back in the shell. Okay, now I'm gonna drop in 2 dates. The thing about this is I don't know what kind of dates they use, because I know like they usually have like the big ones, right? So I don't know if they use the small ones or whatever, but they say 2 dates. So we're gonna do 2 dates. 1, 2. I'm thinking I might need more, but let's see. And also they do have some natural flavors in here with some other natural flavors. So it's definitely not going to taste the same. And it definitely should not say what you see is what you get, because what is other natural flavors? Huh? And then you go to the ingredients, it says dates, egg whites, almonds, cashews, blueberries, natural flavors. Okay? Only thing I don't have is natural flavor, basically. And blueberries and cashews, actually. But I do have almonds. All right, let's blend this up and see what happens. So let's blend it up. I was trying to find something to put it in to bake it in. I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna pour it in here. So this should be simple and fast. So I'm probably gonna bake it for like 10 to 20 minutes. I haven't made this before, so this is the first time. So like I said, I'm always trying something new. So now I'm gonna add in the dark chocolate chips. Just a little bit more. Okay. And then for the almonds, it looks like it's cut. So I'm gonna cut the almonds up a little bit. So give me a second. All right, so 6 almonds. So I'm gonna cut it little pieces, about 3. Dump it in. All right, all done. So like I said, I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna have it in for like 10 to 20 minutes. I'll look at it to see how it looks, and then we'll come back and then we'll rate it to see if what you see is what you get. All right, so it's all done. I took it out the oven and let it cool for a little bit. So now we're gonna give it a taste test. Let me get a spoon. So it does not look exactly like how this looks. If you ever had an RXBar, you know. So I'm actually scared that it might not taste the same. So they're probably lying. But let's see. Also, I should have put oil under this so it doesn't stick. But let's give it a try. Oh, actually, let me turn the camera so you guys can see me taste this. So hold up real quick. All right, so we're basically trying it together right now. Oh, I'm trying, I'll let you guys know. It is good, but it is different from the bar. So maybe because of the natural flavors with other natural flavors is the reason why, but this is actually not bad. I could eat this all day. So this actually tastes like or similar to chocolate chips cookies, not like the RXBar. So they're definitely doing something to make it taste like how it tastes. But if you make it at home using whatever they say here, it would taste like chocolate chip cookies or similar. I'm not lying. I found a new sweet to try without using any sugars at all. Just literally very simple ingredients. Guys, give this a try and let me know your thoughts. But this is actually very good. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good day. I'm going to enjoy this. Bye.